The Apple AirTag second generation is a compact smart tracker designed to help you easily locate your keys, wallet, or other essentials. With precision finding and the Find My network, it delivers fast, accurate tracking right from your iPhone. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Apple AirTag second generation and user manual. How to use. Setup is one of the strongest features of the Apple AirTag second generation, offering a fast and hassle-free pairing experience. Simply bring the AirTag close to your iPhone, follow the on-screen prompts, give it a name, assign it to an item, and the setup is complete in less than a minute. To use the Apple AirTag second generation, open the Find My app on your iPhone or Apple Watch and assign the AirTag to an item like your keys, wallet, or bag. Once set up, you can track its location in real time, view left-behind notifications, and play a sound to quickly find nearby items. If the item goes missing, Lost Mode notifies you when it's detected by the Find My network, and Precision Finding uses ultra-wideband to guide you accurately when you are close to it. You can also share the AirTag with others for easier item tracking. Smart features? Uses ultra-wideband technology to guide you with precise direction and distance to your lost item. Provides on-screen arrows and haptic feedback for fast and accurate nearby tracking. Uses a vast network of Apple devices to help locate your lost item even when it's far away. It updates the location securely and privately whenever another Apple device comes near it. Lets you play a loud sound from the device to quickly locate it when it's nearby. The alert helps you find misplaced items like keys, wallet, or bag with ease. Marks your item as lost and helps you track it through the Find My network. You also get notifications when it is detected by any nearby Apple device. Allows you to share your item's location with other trusted people for easier tracking. You can also access and manage it from multiple Apple devices like an iPhone and Apple Watch. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Apple AirTag second generation from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Apple AirTag second generation. See you at the next one.